How to delete TikTok videos without losing likes. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete TikTok videos without losing likes. As you know, if you delete a video on TikTok, you'll lose the like on the video as well. So, to delete video from your profile without actually losing likes, what you can do is first open up the app and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and head into the video that you wanna delete without losing the like. Now here you can see I have 9 likes. Now to simply delete a video without losing like, what you want to do is tap on the 3 dots option on the video, and once you tap on it, at the bottom of the screen you'll see varieties of options there, analytics, save video, pin. Simply scroll until you find the privacy settings option. Tap on it, and what you want to do is on the who can watch this video option, simply tap on select me, only me. And once you select only me, if you scroll back and head back now, reload the app, and you can see the video that I just set to only me has been removed from profile, and it won't be shown to anyone if you do this. Once you set it to only me, no one else will be able to view your video, but it will still be available on your private videos and the likes will still be there and it won't be deleted. So this is the way you can delete videos from your profile without losing likes. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.